Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see how to get this look by baking your face with baby powder, please keep watching.
First, start by applying concealer. Now blend in with a dry beauty blender. Now use a powder that's a shade or two lighter than your complexion to set the concealer. Now you're ready to bake the concealed areas with baby powder.
Get it all over your beauty blender and put it in those places. Okay. Okay, so now that I've finished my eye makeup, I'm gonna take off the powder. But what I like to do is still use the same beauty blender and just blend everything in.
If there's still too much powder, just use your brush to get rid of the excess.
As you can see, I look super white. Oh my gosh. Woo. So you know what I do? I use that powder again and just dab it in there and just go over those areas that you use the baby powder. Now I'm just going to contour my face. Use a little blush.
Now I'm going to line my lips with MAC's Chestnut Lip Liner and then use my ColourPop Lippie in the color of StingRaye. And finally, set your face with translucent powder.